Oh.
and death as he was in life. Disgusting.
Yes, he was indeed. Holy shit.
But what's the plan when you have all 4 flasks?
What are you trying to get at?
I could lend you a hand.
Not trying to get on my good side?
But don't get cocky. I'd kill you if you weren't worth the trouble. There's a stronghold not too far outside the village. Go there and get my flask. Do that, and you pass. First, head back to the graveyard.
Self-centered prick.
Okay, hold on. What the fuck is this? What is that? A revolver that uses... Oh, it's a freaking mag... Okay. Thank you, game. Well, last time I forgot to bring this thing in. This time, I didn't forget. What's up everybody, what's going to here? Welcome back to Resident Evil Village. I haven't played this game since the last episode. I don't know why. So, this doesn't look very inviting. This way. So we just defeated the fish boss. Don't know what to call him. I'm going to move my mouse out of the way. Then I'm going to put this mouse. Perfect, it's kind of out of the way. But yeah, this way, oh god, yeah, that's great. That's just going to be Heisenberg, of course. So last time we did get the Magnum, which I'm very impressed with. And we're out of what? Oh no, I was going to reload. Yeah, about to say, my guy, don't do that to me. Anyway, we got the Magnum last time. Obviously, I'm not going to use this thing because this thing is probably worth a lot. Like, this is going to be like the most nice gun to have. So I'm not going to use it. Bruv, die. I craft ammo for you guys. Sorry. You kind of had to die, sorry. I felt really bad for that, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Oh, there's guts everywhere, man. Jesus. Sorry. Right, is there anything this way? Okay, what's this? What's this? That's definitely this way. Alright, no, we're not, no. Mm-mm. No, we're not fighting that, we're not fighting that. No. Stop pausing my game. I asked him to bring the pause menu up, boy. Did I go that way? Oh yeah, I did go that way. Oh, the drawbridge, yes. We're gonna go there first. Because we actually have the crank now, and that drawbridge needed a crank. So, sorry Heisenberg, you're going to have to wait a minute. I want to go to the drawbridge and see what I'm missing out. That's so good, it needed a crank. I don't know what it will be. Duke, have I got anything to sell you? That's a fit. Actually, did I put the other flask in here? I did not. Let's put the other flask in here. The arms flask. Done. Love it. Alright. Cool. Duke. Why have you got that?
Ah, my apologies.
Dude, you're kind of suspicious right now, I'm telling you now. You're kind of suspicious. Can you make anything for me? Oh, I need 1 meat. Okay, well that's not going to happen. 6 fish. Can I make that? I can make that. Okay.
Don't let up yet. I can hardly wait. Just
Alright.
excuse me a moment.
Yes, sure thing, Duke. You take your time. Also do. Health increases permanently. Oh, that's good. That's a nice.
Apologies for the wait. Here's your share.
Thank you very much. My health is increased.
Not a bad dish.
Not a bad dish. Very say myself. So we have that one, which we need 6. So we need six fish. So do I need fish anywhere else? No. So we're going to put the fish in here. And the meat in there because we don't need them. Okay, so really all we need is 3 more chicken and 4 more fish and that one other fish.
This is all. You have an eye for quality. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright. Should I make more handgun ammo? Yes. Yes, we should. It's very, very useful at this point. Hopefully we do get a new pistol though. Oh no, this pistol's still good enough. Did he move? I feel like someone else was laying there, but hey, who cares? It doesn't matter. Right. Let's use a crank on here. Yes, nice. Where is this going to take us? Where is it going to take us? I feel like we did miss a lot of stuff, like, not last episode, the episode before that. Because we wasn't supposed to be going to wherever I went was where I was supposed to go. And there was another bit I was supposed to run, I'll take that. And that was where Chris was. And I kind of messed it up thinking that was the place I didn't have to go. And yeah, I feel like I've missed a lot there. So that's my bad. But we are still good on stuff. We got ammo, we've got health, kind of, I guess. But what is going to lead to down here? I don't think this is the way we need to go, and that's why I'm going here first. Well, no, it's definitely not, because we need to go to hiding room, and that's where he'll probably put those bits. It's obviously going to be him as the next boss, because he spoke to me, and shit happened. So yeah. Go, goldfish. I see you. You are the... Yeah, you are. Nice, 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 nice. I'm probably missing 1 fish. Are you fucking kidding me right now, game? 1 fish! We could just put extra fish in there, like, seriously? Why 3? Why 3? I'm about to say, this can't... I can't just bin it. This does not look very pleasant. This looks very scary. I don't like this. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Okay. Ethan, you look to the side, then look to the wall, then look at that again. Oh my god. What's wrong with that? I don't know. Oh. Okay, we meant to be not going off there. Sure thing. It is the freaking mole. Oh my. Ready 7. Yo, that I like that. Okay, that's very nice. That's a very nice touch. A very nice touch. 99 point. Could you get that any better than that? Oh, bro. I like that they brought. I know it was quite obvious it was kind of connected to the mold. What the hell's this? What's that going to be attached to? But it's not. It's a part of the mold because I love Resi 7. Nice, nice. The shotgun. Can I handle this like stably? Not as bad anymore. Oh, that's much better. But yeah, Resi 7 is definitely one of my favourite Resident Evil games. 2 was good. 3 was going to be short. I didn't play 3. But I heard it was short. But Resi 7 is definitely my favourite one out of all the other games at the moment. I would love to platinum it, but I just can't get 1 trophy. So let's get out of here. Yeah, see what's going to happen. Oh, yep, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. No, okay, you guys have a good time. I'm not dealing with that. You guys can't fit through here, right? Oh, that looks like an actual... Oh, I don't want to fight that shit. No, thanks. No, 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 no. Did I get everything there then? I can't find out, I don't think. It's kind of a mystery area. It doesn't know what is here and what isn't. So, let's just forget that even happened. Let's just go. That was a nice touch that they brought some things back from the Resident Evil 7. I missed the chest so much. Like, the amount of stuff you have. You just want to tuck it away and then get it back whenever you need it. No, you have to sell it and buy it back if you want it. Like, come on, man. Come on. How much lay do I have, actually? I don't know. Unless I upgraded my gun. Did I upgrade the magnum? Because if I didn't, then that's going to work a lot. I have 80,000. Come on. Like, I gotta upgrade the mic things. I have to. I can't upgrade these guns because I think these are at the max, if I remember rightly. Oh no, that guy's on that side. Okay, what about? Duke, I need to upgrade my guns, if you didn't know. Like, I really want to upgrade my guns. Really want to.
As you wish.
I realise I wish. Okay, fish.
Carry on.
Oh, I need 2 more, not 1 more. Oop, oh well. Oh, that's not to the max. That's not to the max either. But this isn't. Bloody hell! 48,000 late for that. I think the video is speed reading this. Right, I'm not gonna use this gun at this point. I'm gonna upgrade the shotgun more. Yeah. Right, this one power needs to go on now. 800 lay left. We're good. We're good.
Please come again.
Oh, I will. Let's save. See, I've done all my saves. Like, I don't know what other save I can have at this point. At this point in time, I have no idea. Okay. Let's go to where Heisenberg wants me to go then. Bro, like, big enemies, I don't like taking down. I do like it because they give out some good shit. But, is it worth taking it down? Probably not. I realize my camera's kind of out of frame right now. There we go. Right, so this is the way we need to go, because this is the last area. Well, last area for this key, I'm pretty sure. Because we can't go in there, because that has a lock in that bit there, so we can't really go in there. There's no lock or unlock for it at all. Oh. Is there a way here? Oh. Oh, I found a secret. Oh, that's no secret. Why are there explosive barrels? Why are there explosive barrels here? I don't like that. Of course it's off the north side. Oh, when's it be? Alright, what's actually going to be here? Okay, so there's nothing here. Anything down this way? I don't want to go inside because I feel like this is the way I need to go now. That was just there to keep it secretly and just not make me not find it. Okay, I'll happily take more lay. Do I have my knife still with me? Yeah, I have my knife. I'm gonna knife this. I need to shoot it off. Well, you got shot in the head. How are you not dead? Sorry, but you have meat, and I kind of want to take it, so thanks. I'm getting prepared for something big, aren't I? I'm getting prepared for something real big, and I don't want it to happen. What? I feel like one of those flying things around here. Is everything alright? Okay, right. Well, we're not fighting him. Hell no. Hell no. We are not fighting him. He would take a lot of damage off me if I ever tried to fight him. There's gonna be things. Yeah, there's gonna be things in here, isn't there? I'm trying to sneak past him. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Just look at my stuff, mate. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're such a big boy and I don't like it. Oh my god, it's got 3 locks on that thing. 3 locks on that thing. Oh, I fell down. I fell down. I fell down. I fell down. Oh god. Okay. I can't aim here. Really? Right, I gotta go round. I'm gonna go up here. Oh my god. Seriously? Right now? Go, 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 go! Oh my god! I concentrated like a bad man right there. Right, get me, get me, get me, get it all, get it all, get it all. I am not fighting him at all. No way. No way. No way. I am not fighting him. I may be missing some shit, but I do not care. There's a hurt. I'm still not missing anything in here. I'm missing something out there still. Where is he? Alright, you know what? Fuck it. I'm not going to fuck it. I'm just gonna leave. What's this? Okay, you know what? I don't care. I don't care. What's this? What's this? Sick. That's it. That. Shit. Bro, I don't want to fight. I'm not fighting that thing. I'm leaving if I have to. If I have to leave, I'll leave. I'm not fighting that. Get me out of here. Oh, come on. Why are you guys in the way? Oh my god, there's 4 of you. Okay. Alright, well, let's go for this. Alright, your head's gone. Alright, nice, 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 nice. No. Alright, nice, nice, nice. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Oh, your head's gone, your head's gone. Your head's gone. Popped. Get popped! Pop! Oh, shit. I was blocking, but whatever. Sure thing. You can't move anywhere, boy. Not out of that way. Whew! Well, it was better fighting them than it would have been fighting that big guy. Then you know, no matter what. I thought these would have been for him since he would like be able to come out here, and I'm really glad he can't. Because oh boy, trying to fight those things and him, no thank you, no thank you, bye bye bye. Right, let's actually go the right way. No, stop fighting that guy. No thanks. I'm just gonna go this way. Please don't come alive, any of you. Where? Where from? Are you being like some sort of sneaky bastard right now? Because I can't see you. Oh my god. That is fucked up. Right, you know what? Just hold on, man. Why are you calling down? Seriously, you don't need to call anyone down. You didn't have to do that. It's not polite at all. Pop your head. You know what? I'll pop your head too. Get out of here. Well, if I have to pop all your heads, I fucking will. Trying to dodge me. Ain't working, is it? It didn't work. Oh, alright, shit. And you missed every single time. And you missed again and again. And you died. Look at that. Sick. Where's the other one? Where is he? You're nearly dead, bro. Where are you? Where you at, my guy? Oh, hello. Oh, you were right behind me the whole time. You literally killed me, and I didn't even know where you were. And you're dead. Done. You know what? I don't care. I'm gonna try and dodge every single one of you now. If I need to save the ammunition, I can right now. Yes, it's sniper rifle ammo, lovely doubly. Oh my god, Jesus Christ! Okay, well these guys are shooting arrows at me now. When did you guys ever shoot arrows? Please tell me. Oh my god, you guys are shooting arrows like some nuts. I swear to God! Why are you guys shooting arrows at me for? Seriously. Oh my god. What the fuck? Alright, I can't legit get past you guys like this. Pop your head. You know what? Pop yours too. Or don't. Just be awkward. I'll just pop your head like this. Or kill you like that. I don't care. Either way. It worked. Head's gone, bitch. No more shooting arrow pricks? Because seriously, they're pissing me off. They jump scared me. I should use the sniper a lot more. I just don't. I've got a load of mines, I swear. Right, well there's explosive shit here, and I don't like this when you show me explosive stuff. Because that makes me know something bad is really going to happen. Something really bad's going to happen, and I don't fucking like that. Let's put explosive barrels there, just to let him know something bad's going to happen, and he's not going to like it. Thanks, game. Oh no, thanks. Get your head pop, boy. Give me your loot. Give me your loot. Do you not have loot? You don't have loot, seriously. Oh boy. Oh boy! Oh, I did get both of you. Damn it. Oh my god, you're not dead! Oh, you're dead now. I am so low on that ammo right now. Oh, fuck, I didn't mean to do that. Get out of the way, bitch. Can't be asked. You ain't gonna get back from that, mate. I wasted a healing item. I don't have another one. Let's make another 2. And probably some more handgun ammo while I'm at it, because I'm running low on that shit too. They're dropping money, which is nice, but I don't need that right now. I need more. I don't need that shit. I seriously need like way more of the stuff than that. Sorry. Alright, nice. It's kind of giving me some ammo back, I guess. But that's just to do this shit around here, probably. Just grab all the loot. All the loot.
How do I get this door open?
I don't know, Ethan. That's what we're going to try and find out. Not that I'm trying to rush myself here. There's a ladder up there. Stairs up there. So, ladder there, stairs up there. Which way do I go? Of course, the ladder. Of course, we gotta go for the ladder first. No, that's where you spawn the monsters. Of course. I hate these guys. Like, I preferred the guys last time. They were better. They were easier to kill. And they were slower. Gotta go each side? Is it like a timer? Nope, it's just one enemies. Alright, cool. Alright, well, I'm not... Yeah, suck it, don't care. Cheers. So we get the door open, or is it not? I tried to aim for that barrel, but you kind of got up here way before anything else happened, so I'm jumping down. See you later. That was probably a waste, I know. But it felt good at the time. Oh, doors open, doors open, doors open! Fuck, no, see ya. Dodged, 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 dodged. Get the fuck out of here, Ethan. I'm not fighting any enemy like that again. Stronghold. Okay, can we get in? Can we just get straight in? Fuck the enemies. Fuck the enemies. Okay, good. Oh, I'm not fighting any of them. Oh, they're still outside? Come on. Really? We're still outside. Isaac, can you just let me in? By now. Oh, a save. A fucking save. Oh, man. Alright. Alright. Let's carry on. Right, well, we're not getting up there. That's gonna fuck me. Oh. What the? This was in the trailer.
This must be their den.
Oh, you think, Ethan, you think. Oh no, he didn't say you think actually. I think it's a den. No, it is a den for sure. Like you've not, it's like you've not already fought enough of them. I've fought too many of them. Alright, you know what? Let's use this. Yeah, he didn't dodge me. He didn't dodge me either. Neither did you. Alright, this shotgun is a fucking amazing. Oh, that was a. Oh, that was not. Oh no. I was about to say that was a tasty, nice quadruple kill. This guy didn't want to die. This guy wants to die. Just like he did. Not getting up for that. I might need to make more shotgun rounds. Really right now. Guess what? Get out of my face. I'm not fighting anymore, you guys. You guys are just spawning. They're just randomly spawning at this point. Like, this is not even like a planned bit. This is just, they're just randomly spawning. I'm pretty sure. Shotgun rounds, I'll take that. Thanks so much. What's found here? Of course I'll take it. Why wouldn't I? There's someone here. Guess what? You're dead. So fuck off. Look at that. You're dead again. Look at that. You're dead again. Get out of my face! I'm getting gang raped right now. There's so many enemies, I can't even deal with them all. Bro, I'm blocking! I don't know how the fuck I'm not. Just heal, just heal, just heal, just heal, just quick. Oh, come on. Fucking hell! Let go of me right now. This is ridiculous right now. Look how many I've killed, and there's still more here! Go away! Seriously! What do I have to do to get you away from me? I don't. What am I supposed to be doing here right now, guys? I'm stuck, and I don't know where I need to go. Look, it says there's one more, and then another one will just spawn. Do we even have any more healing items? I have one more. I'm making it up. Help me, game! Help me! Where the fuck do I go? Of course you dodged. Of course you dodged. Oh, did I see the fucking stairs right there? Are you serious? You guys are so terrifying when you run. Like, seriously, they're fucking terrifying. What? Where do I actually go? I don't know where I need to go. I'm so confused. Are you serious? No, of course it is. Of course it is. This is where I need to go. I'm running for it. I've wasted too much ammo here. But I'm pretty sure I can make some more good ammo here. Right. Yes. We're making some more of that. No, we're good now. We're good now. Just keep moving, Ethan. Just dodge them all. Dodge them all. No, dodge all of them. Just go past all of them.
Big guy.
No, not okay, big guy at all. Where am I going? Oh god. Oh my god! I'm legit stuck. Back down here we go again, just going like normal. Where am I going? Where am I officially supposed to be going? Right, well, I don't know where to go. I'm the most lost person ever right now. Oh, I fucking still lost health in a minute. Right, well, looks like I'm gonna have to use some fucking ammo here. Since they're all being cunts, I can't get past them all. I gotta use ammo. Again. Through here. Okay, what is this something? Magnum ammo. You must be mad if you think I'm using Magnum ammo right now. I'm not using Magnum ammo. No, just go, just go, just go, just go, just go. Just go, Ethan. Just go. I can legit call this an episode. Like, I've used so much ammo. It's unreal. Just go. I think Heisenberg will not even be here at this point. Like, he'd be bored. With all the shit I've just done. I'm getting annoyed. This game is to fight. I'm supposed to be fighting bosses, not fighting these enemies. That's fucked. That's really fucked. Yeah, as soon as I find the next save point, that's where I'm ending. Because I am not fighting anymore. Give me this right now. How many do I have of them? 2. 2. Pretty sure I came in with a lot more than them. Right, well, we'll save it here anyway. I don't really care. Going down there does not look very nice, so that's why I'm ending this episode. I'm not playing anymore. I've just done the most stressful part in this game. It's unreal. I fucking hated that. I hated that so much. That was not a fun episode to do. Hoo-wee. Heisenberg's gonna be a bastard to get to, I swear. I knew that part was gonna be so messed up. But oh my god, I'm hoping you guys can hear me a lot more, because this is actually here. Last episode, this was not here, it was down over there. You could hardly hear me. This time, you can hear me. Hopefully. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Resident Evil Village. If you did, please drop a like on this video, leave a comment down below what you thought about this video, and hit that subscribe button if you're new. And I'm going to try and get this game a lot more out if I can. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody. Goodbye.